Yep. Nope, this one's mine. I got sweat in it.
I'm Holly. That's Ray. And this is our home, Sabado. Subscribe to tag along on the adventure. Well, that's not ideal. I'm gonna do a little bit of stainless polishing just until I get hot, then I'm gonna go for a swim. That's how I trick myself into doing boat work here. Ray's in the dinghy scrubbing the hulls, which is kind of an annoying job when we're not on the dock because you've got to hold on with one hand and scrub with the other, but it must be done. Huge. Well, we bought a grill. It's the Kuuma 160 and we're planning on mounting it right over here. All right, here she is. I think it looks good. I mean, I'm no grill expert, but I like it. And I like how the lid latches down like this. Yeah!
Yep. Nope, this one's mine. I got sweat in it. There you go.
Thanks,
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. We decided to head out with some friends in the dinghy and see if we can catch something for dinner. We're pretty unfamiliar with the area, but we've gotten a few recommendations on spots to look for lobster, so we'll see.
There is a life I lead in this city. Hurrying to cup my tea. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on. Together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
I think we're gonna go on to the next spot.
If I could take you back tonight and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring of my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my spinning bowl, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.
Really beautiful. See lobster stuff.
Yeah, I decided
Did she get it?
No, it was.
Ah, bummer. That's really pretty.
Is it?
Yeah. A lot of like sand style coral.
Rock right over there.
I know. It's pretty limited where I can go. Current takes me around a bit, but. They're so pretty! I'm doing investigating. Let's go get a drink. Twist my arm. Yeah, sounds good.
All right, I've got some sides going in the galley, and since we didn't catch any lobster, we've got some barbecue marinated chicken thighs out on our new grill. And a pretty sunset. You think I'll scare him if I go out there?
Yeah.
What if I go really slow?
You'll scare him.
I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna go really slow. It's okay. Hey.
Ah! God!
We've just been having some drinks on the bow, but every time a piece of trash floats by, Ray jumps in the dinghy and speeds over to go pick it up. neighbors must think we're crazy.